So I guess George H.W. Bush, didn't he say something about read my lips, no new taxes, and then raised taxes? We don't know when tax laws are going to change, but we do know they probably will at some point. Every president in recent memory has done it in some form. This video is going to be about how to make the most of the current tax law before the current administration changes them. Impeachment's done. Congress is probably going to focus on COVID or vaccine rollouts. Those numbers are all looking good. Then it might be taxes. That might be the next thing after that. So it could get done this year. First, Biden's talked about targeting high income earners, meaning anybody that makes above $400,000. This would be a good time to consider accelerating income, especially if you own a business, something like that, or maybe doing a Roth conversion. These are both big moves with financial consequences, so you're going to want to need to talk to somebody before doing these. Estate and gift tax exemptions were $11.7 million this year, but they might drop again under the new tax plan if it gets passed. That makes 2021 a critical year for estate planning. Don't think the new laws won't affect smaller estates either. As recently as 2001, the federal estate exemption amount was just $675,000. It's not likely it'll go to that low, but you never know. So business owners, farmers, you might not be cash rich, but your assets will add up pretty quickly. And third, deductible retirement plan contributions might be treated differently for tax purposes in the future. They are talking about replacing the 401k deduction with a tax credit. So if you're a high earner, you might want to consider maxing out your 401k this year. Try to put as much money as you can before they change it. This is new to me. I have to research this more, so we're probably going to do a video on this soon as we get our arms around it. Bottom line, tax laws are always in a constant state of flux. We don't know what the rules will look like or when they'll change. You know, they got to go through Congress, and we don't know what they'll look like when they're done haggling. But we can take some proactive steps now under the current law. It's our job to stay on top of that and maximize your opportunities every year. We're still doing an early bird special probably through the end of February. So if you're over 59 or 55, you get it for $109. If you're a business owner, just come in, we'll take a look, and we'll quote you at half of what you paid last year for your tax return. Again, it's still February. We're not as busy as we are in March, and if you want to come in April, you'll probably have to pay double, or we'll probably just file an extension for you. So until next time, take care.